honestly, he's going to have to be careful here as these cars do battle in front of him and he tries to pick his way through.
What's going on, guys? All right, so Saturday the 7th of May, it's round 2 at Merrittville. We didn't really have to do anything to the car this week. It was actually, we looked over some stuff. Toby fixed the hood a little bit because it was a little flapping in the wind, but yeah, it's pretty good. So we're gonna do a couple things this week. We're gonna change some tires around. Not really mess with our air pressures too much because the air pressures were feeling pretty good. But I think if we change some tires around, from what I've been told, we'll be able to get the car to turn in a little bit nicer. Plan, this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna load up the toolbox and start throwing tires in the back here. I picked up a new fire suit this week that we're gonna use. It's just a cheapy single layer race clip. My other one ripped a big hole in the side of it. So it was this. It's not really much of a fire suit anymore at that point. Picked up a tinted shield so that I can actually see while it's like this outside. We picked up another receiver so that you guys can actually listen into the tower while we're at the track. Our boy Tyson's not gonna be here tonight. Mother's Day, he's doing some Mother's Day stuff. Gotta do the family stuff, right? We're gonna, me and Toby are gonna load up. There's really not much to load up other than just tools and some tires and cooler, and head her over to the track. So let's get her loaded. We'll see you guys at the track. We're gonna get her unloaded here. We a couple down from last week, but good shot of turn 3 coming out of 2. So like I said, Tyson's not here tonight, so filming may be a little but we'll get her. We'll get her. We did our hot laps. Just watched Danny, the Sportsman's. Car feels really good. We changed the tires around a little bit. The track's like super sticky right now. We do have a slow leak, so I'm gonna go on the hunt for some green slime, and then we'll see what we can do. All right, so I just went and checked the lineup. We're 8th, I think. I don't know, dead last in the first heat. On the outside lane. We got a little bit of a tire leakage issue going on, so we're gonna pump her up a little high and see how it handles the 5 laps, see what it comes off as. So we're on the hunt for some green slime. We're just doing the national anthems right now. The V6s are gonna run, and then we're up first heat. I think there's only probably 1 heat for the V6 class, so I'm gonna start getting suited up now. car's deep, so see how we do. Car feels really good. We got the fixed plan in there. See how she goes. Alto, how you feel? What do you think?
Top 5.
Top 5?
Today's the day.
Today's the day?
For all the beans, man.
For all the beans, all the marbles?
Yeah. All the ARPMs, all the fucking give, drive it aggressive. Top 5.
Fucking bing bong, just like that.
We're gonna get some
Toby's
points
called
tonight.
We'll get some points tonight.
We'll get some points tonight.
temper tantrum. We went from 11th. We were running 11th. Lap times were really consistent. And yeah, I just spun it out into 2. And yeah, I was really pissed. And nobody other than myself. Track was a little bit, it's pretty slick actually. So yeah, well, it is what it is. We got 15th still, I think. That's what Race Monitor says at least, so I'll check the board later. It is what it is. It's racing. Of course, I gotta spin out with like 2 laps to go, so like no time to get up, but it is what it is. Yeah, so we'll see you guys next time. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Let me know if we should make some setup changes in this thing, or if it's just me. Alright guys, we'll see you guys next time.